Hey, welcome to Mohawk Chemistry. Today we're going to go over practice sheet number 2 of the balancing chemical equations, and it's going to be problem number 2. So when we look at problem number 2, we have Ki plus Cl2 yields Cl plus I2. Now again, it'd be nice if you knew the nomenclature to this. This is potassium iodide plus chlorine yields potassium chloride and iodine, excuse me. So we're going to go ahead and start to balance this. And we'll tab over to the center here. And we're going to put down the elements that we have on each side. So we have potassium on each side. And we have iodine on each side. And we have chlorine on each side. Now we're going to put down the numbers that we have on each side of these. So on this side over here, we have only one potassium. So we're going to put a 1 right here. And for iodine, we only have one of those also. So we're going to put a 1 right there. And then we go to chlorine. I have 2 chlorines. There's no substitute, so we're going to put a 2 right there. So on this side, we're going to do just the same thing. So on this side, we have 1 potassium. We have only 1 chlorine, but we have 2 iodine. So you can see what we have. So that makes it fairly easy for us to go ahead and follow. So which one are we going to do first? Well, the only one that we can't start off with is potassium because that one's already balanced. So we can start off with iodine. Okay, so I have 2 iodines on this side. There's my 2 for the iodine. So I need to put 2 on this side. And remember, we cannot change the subscripts. The subscripts in this case are 1s, so we have to change the coefficients. So we're going to put a 2 right there, which gives us 2 iodines over on this side. So we're going to put that, so I'm going to put a 2 right there. And so that's good, but it changes my potassium, so my potassium already also has 2. So if I'm going to go over to this side, I'm going to change that number of potassium. I have 1, but I need 2, and I can only change the coefficient, not the subscript. So I'm going to basically go ahead and right here put a 2, which means I need to put a 2 right there, but that also changes my chlorine. Now instead of having 1, I have 2 chlorines, so we're going to put a 2 there. Now if I go ahead and look at my numbers, I have 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. So we're balanced. So we can go ahead and my molar ratio is going to be 2 to 1 to 2 to 1. So when I go ahead and put down my molar ratio, I'm going to put my numbers that are my coefficients. So I'm going to put 2, 1, 2, 1. I always, again, like to highlight it and take a last look at it. Can I reduce it? Cannot reduce it, so we're going to go ahead and make it bold, highlight it in there, and there's our molar ratio or our balanced chemical equation for problem number 2. Good luck with the rest of them. Nelson out.